Hello, exciting time. It's time to reveal our Christmas sets. So you might have seen about the Skin Essentia set. This is the Youth Essentia set. So this is for those of you that use the blue and silver range of products. So this is always super value. If you're thinking about using or incorporating these products into your routine and you want a bit of guidance, maybe you've started on the orange and the white packaging, the ABST range, let us know and we can see how we can either swap you over or incorporate it alongside, so you've got a few options with it depending on your skin. So here it is. So you have got, in this set, you've got cleanser, Hydra Intense Cleanser, which is a beautiful cream based cleanser which contains hydrolyzed oats to help waterproof, calm the skin, hydrate. It can be used almost as a bit of a mask on your skin as well. So I'm going to do lots of videos of how to use some of these products in different ways so you get the best out of your kits. In here you also have the Vitapeptide toner. I don't know if you can see that actually because of the light. This is peptide based toner, so it helps to stimulate collagen and elastin. It's a treatment toner, so it really does make a difference to your skin. Your skin feels like silk when you use this. So the preparation is key to make sure that when we then put our actives on, you're going to get the best from them. And the actives in here are the Defense Creme, which is a really rich antioxidant cream, so it helps to protect and bubble wrap the skin from any environmental pollution. And then you have the Sequence Serum, which use these two together, so you can choose which level of serum that you're on, or if you're incorporating it, again ask us and we can guide you which level. So this is more potent than your ABST, so it has got more ingredients, it's got higher doses of vitamin C, it's got more antioxidants, it's got more peptides, it's got slightly different types of vitamin A. So if you want a quick result, this is the range to go for. And the complementary good value that you get with this is you get the Elixir full size serum, which is worth, the top of my head, 75 £80. So you get a full size of this. The Elixir serum is a collagen boosting serum, so great for collagen banking, so stimulating your skin's own collagen, the scaffolding to help support it and make it nice and plump. So you use these together. So again, these pre-orders have been sent out to you. We have got some extra kits now. I have been told that these are in short numbers already, so if you are thinking about getting one of these kits, I wouldn't hang about too long because I don't think we'll be able to order these for much longer. So the Youth Essentia, I think, will be the first one to sell out, which I remember last year it did, and I think a lot of you missed out. So once they're gone, I can't get any more. So yeah, the Youth Essentia kit is on its way to you or available to collect.